Today we're making a cast iron pan pizza. To 2 cups of flour, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Mix dry ingredients. Mix in 1 teaspoon of olive oil, add 3/4 of a cup of warm water between 105 and 110 degrees. Mix all ingredients until well incorporated. After a couple of minutes, start mixing using your hand. Continue mixing until there is no flour left in the bowl. Brush clean bowl with olive oil. Place dough into oiled bowl, covering all sides with oil. Cover with plastic wrap and set aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove plastic wrap and gently stretch and fold 8 to 10 times. Try not to tear dough like I just did. It's okay, just keep going. Form your dough into a ball and cover with plastic wrap. Set aside for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you will gently stretch and fold again 8 to 10 times. Form your dough into a ball by pulling all the sides down and folding under. Add oil to bowl if needed. Place dough into bowl and cover with plastic wrap and a towel. Allow to rest in warm space for 2 hours or until dough doubles in size. For the sauce, strain 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes and blend in a food processor along with about 3 ounces of tomato paste. Transfer to a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Add a pinch of sugar. Mix, cover, and place in refrigerator for at least 1 hour. You can also use a sauce of your choice. It's your pizza, make it your own. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After dough has rested for 2 hours, brush about a tablespoon of olive oil in a cast iron skillet. Add a couple of pinches of cornmeal to enhance color and taste of your dough. This is optional. Carefully transfer your dough to the skillet and gently work the dough to the outer edges of the pan with your fingertips. Cover with a towel and allow to rest for 1 hour. After an hour, you may have to continue gently working the dough to the edge of the pan. Add olive oil to the top of dough. We added Italian seasoning to the dough, but this is optional. Add desired amount of your sauce, making sure to spread to the edges. Add your toppings. We'd like to add a little cheese, then the pepperoni, a little more cheese followed by some sausage that we cooked. Cover with more cheese, making sure your cheese reaches the outer edges of the pan. Again, it's your pizza. You can add any toppings in any order. Place in oven and bake on 450 for 20 minutes. We also broiled ours for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from oven and run a knife along the edges to loosen the pizza. Place the skillet on the stove on medium heat to make the bottom of the crust that perfect golden color. Make sure to check it often so that the crust does not burn. This should only take 3 to 4 minutes. Once the crust is to your liking, remove pizza from pan and place on a cooling rack, allowed to cool for a couple of minutes. Transfer to cutting board and you are ready to slice and serve. Enjoy!